don't know about you, but I feel like every year I say, I can't believe it's the end of whatever year it is. And I'm going to say it once again. I cannot believe it is the end of 2023 already. And what I have here is the Boxycharm for January 2024. So here's a little sneak peek. Whoops. Let's see what came in the box. And I'm also going to go over other spoilers that you could receive in your box. The theme for this box for January is Glow Your Soul. Soft launch the new year by getting relaxed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Nourish your skin, play with color, practice kindness to yourself and others, and make sure you feel pampered every day. Because the path to get that glow, both inside and out, starts right now. I like to break down my unboxing / spoiler boxes with doing skincare first. So first item of skincare that I received in my box is from Kopari. This is the Niacinamide and Caffeine Eye Bright Cream. This is cruelty-free, vegan, and made in the US. This size, which is 0.5 ounces, has a value of $36, reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, helps tighten, fragrance-free, suitable for all skin types. It does have a greenish tint to it, but when you blend that in, you can't see it. I put that on today, and it is very hydrating, I feel like. Well, it says fragrance-free, but I feel like I'm getting... Oh, I bet this is it. There is Java berry extract, cucumber, and celery extract. So I think I'm getting a little bit of the cucumber. It's not real strong, but I could tell that there's something there. But yeah, very hydrating, and I liked how it went on and how it felt. It was a little cooling, not a huge amount, but there was a little bit of cooling aspect to it. That was the only skincare I received in my box. But before we get to the other skincare spoilers that maybe you will receive, I just wanted to go over the pricing. We do have new pricing on this. Started with December's box. For Boxycharm, the price is now $30. There is a $1.99 handling fee, both for Ipsy and for Boxycharm. So in my opinion, I just say that it's $31.99 because yeah, technically the box is $30, but you have to pay that. So $31.99, and you do get 5 full-size products in your box. Choice opens on the 1st through the 3rd of each month, and you can choose 3 of the 5 items. The other skincare products that you may want to pick when open comes is from Saturday Skin, the Rinse and Shine Gentle Cleanser. This has a retail value of $26 for 0.5 fluid ounce. They are cruelty-free. Reviews on the Nordstrom and on their site all were good for this. Multiple of people said that it was good. It did not dry out their skin. So it says for all skin types, but it sounds like if you have dry skin, maybe this would be one you'd want to check out. From Glow Recipe, this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. It has a retail value of $35 for 1.69 fluid ounce. Oh, and the sunscreen, it's SPF 50. Cruelty-free and vegan. What I thought was interesting about this is it says it's a gentle mineral and chemical sunscreen. I feel like a lot of the sunscreens are one or the other, but not both. So I thought that that was interesting. It does say that it is reef safe, which means that there's a couple ingredients that it is without. Speaking of being reef safe, did you know that the corals support 25% of ocean life? So yes, they are important. According to the Shed Aquarium, they say, think of the coral reef like an underwater forest, a 3-dimensional structure growing up on the sea floor. There would be no forest without the trees. So I thought that that was an interesting analogy. And when you go to places that have that white sandy beach, did you know that that is from the corals? They help to produce those white sandy beaches. Another product that you may want to pick is from Ren clean skincare. This is the Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream. It has a retail value of $54 for 1.7 ounce. They are cruelty-free, however, their parent company is not. This is gluten-free and vegan. It says that it is 100% natural fragrance, and it got 4.6 stars out of 197 reviews on Sephora. Now, they say that this is good for dry skin, well, basically all skin types. However, some of the lower reviews did say that people thought that it wasn't the best for dry skin, that they felt like it dried their skin out even more and kind of stuck to the dry patches. If you want to read up on any of these products more, look at more reviews or anything like that, I will have all the links down below for them so that you can go and, read through stuff if you want to get a little more detail. And by the way, if you're just finding me, hello, my name is Stacy. As you can see, this is Stacy Lee Beauty. And here on this channel, I love all things beauty and fashion. So now let's go on to the makeup portion. The first thing that I got in my box is from Ofra. This is the Signature Luxe Palette. It retails for $32. They are cruelty-free and vegan. Very, very pretty. I like the colors. I'm wearing it today. Very pretty. And it was funny because when I was filming the swatches, at first I didn't read the top colors across here. I was just swatching them. And when I got to this middle shade, when I swatched it, I was thinking to myself, wow, that really looks like the Rodeo Drive highlighter. And then as I was getting ready and doing my eye makeup today, I see that it is the Rodeo Drive highlighter. So pretty cool there. You have two matte colors and then some shimmery bronze and the Rodeo Drive highlighter. It is a magnetic closure made in the US. Next up we have from Nebula. This is the Cupid's Arrow Longwear Stylo eyeliner in number 4 Intense Black. This retails for $18. Cruelty-free, vegan, and made in Italy. And I really like the packaging, just very sleek. It does have a built-in sharpener that comes with it, so nice on that, just on the end there. Now if you're sensitive to dimethicones around your eye area, this one, it's listed as the first ingredient, so just kind of keep that in mind, but very, very lightweight. On Ulta, this got 4.7 stars out of 134 reviews. The complaint that people had with the lower reviews is they said that it wasn't long wearing. So depending on, what you think about that, whether you want to pick this or not. Another item is from Realher. This is Hold On to Your Dream Probiotic Setting Spray. This has a value of $25 for 3.38 fluid ounce. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, vegan, alcohol-free, and fragrance-free. It is made in China. And I like the packaging. Very sleek looking. And, just like normal setting sprays. You want to hold it? I'm not really getting any scent from it. No scent. And the mister is very fine. Very nice. It's kind of similar, the mister, I would say kind of similar to the Anastasia Dewy set, how that's a fine mist, kind of like that. And just FYI, I used this spray to use with the Rodeo Drive highlighter, and that's what I put in my inner corner right there. But I just, wet the brush a little bit. All right, another makeup item that came in my box. This is from Half Cake. Love that name. So cute. Speaking of cake, what's your favorite flavor of cake? That is a hard question because I have a huge sweet tooth. But I think I would have to say either, well, I like funfetti sometimes, but I think my ultimate is yellow vanilla cake. Not vanilla, but like the yellow cake with chocolate frosting. Yum, yum. All right, so this is the Half Cake Instant Crush lip glosses. Now, when I looked on their website, I could not find this actual set or these particular colors. There were colors that looked similar online, but not exact. The other colors on their website for this size do sell for $10. They are cruelty free. So the colors that this has is mesmerized, and that's what I have on right now. There is a scent to these. That's what it is. It smells, yeah. They say it smells like strawberries and cream. Yeah, that's what it is. It smells good. I like to do the hair test, that I call it, with lip glosses, because we want to see if we're out in the wind, how much is going to get stuck to our lips. So I look a little crazy, but let's do it. Okay, so it's not too bad, but you can see it's a little stickiness. There's going to be a little bit that your hair sticks to it, but not too bad. It is enriched with vitamin E, and then the other is Crystal Baller, and this is just, it has that iridescent crystal, kind of purplish. That's what I received in my box. However, we do have some more makeup spoilers from LYS Beauty Lash Confidence Mascara. It has a value of $19, and that is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, and alcohol-free. The claims of this mascara is volumizing, curling, lengthening, and long-wearing. It does have some different extracts in it and oil, just to kind of let you know. It has date fruit extracts, saffron flower extracts, avocado oil, so just if you're sensitive to any of that kind of stuff. The reviews on Sephora were 4.3 stars out of 178 reviews. The lower reviews, people said for them it did clump and flake. It's not supposed to, according to the claims of the mascara, but a few people did have that happen. Anastasia Beverly Hills, this is the Magic Touch Concealer. It has a $29 value, cruelty-free, gluten-free, alcohol, and fragrance-free. Now, it is described as a lightweight, creamy formula that brightens, blurs, conceals while blending a natural second skin finish. And I did have this. However, I did gift it away because I agree with the reviews, some of the lower reviews. On Ulta, I got 4.6 stars out of 3,173 reviews. So 4.6 stars with all those reviews. Clearly, there's a lot of people that like it. For me, personally, some of the lower reviews said thick, oxidizes darker, shades run dark, container is messy. I didn't keep it really long enough to know if the container got messy or not, but I did find it thick. Even though it says that it's, you know, lightweight, I remember when I used it, like for under my eyes, it was kind of along the lines of the Shape Tape, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. You know how those are a little bit of a thicker concealer. So if you like those, you'd probably like to try this one. Now for the value of my box for, oh, you know what? Nope. Scratch that. One thing that I gotta say first, I wanted to say that these boxes, Boxycharm and Ipsy, are gifted to me. Thank you so much to Boxycharm. I am part of the Ipsy Open Studio partnership program, which I love. It's like Christmas every month getting these, so thank you so much. They don't give us a requirement of like, you have to do this YouTube video, you have to say this, or anything like that. They leave it up to us, but I like to share with you guys what I got. So, again, the price for Boxycharm technically is $30 a month, but I'm going to say $31.99. The value of the products that I received is $131. So I think value-wise, it's there. And the setting spray, I don't use setting spray all that much, but I will get use out of it. And yeah, I feel like everything else, the lip gloss, I will probably end up using more over lip products just because I usually like a little bit more color than this. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with it. Do you agree? Do you think that those were good products? Do you think that the products on the spoiler list is good? I feel that size, oh, I'm droppy today. It is, the claims are the benefit, cruel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you had a wonderful holiday season. And yeah, let's ring in 2024. Yay! Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!